Orange cuisine is a culinary manifestation that incorporates a palette of vibrant and tasty colors. She not only focuses on the aesthetics of the dishes, but also on creating unique and exciting flavors. In this text, we will explore orange cuisine in detail, including its history, key ingredients, preparation techniques, iconic dishes, and the cultural and visual impact it has on the dining experience. The history of orange cuisine. Orange cuisine is a relatively recent culinary trend that originated from the search for a more captivating and visually stimulating dining experience. It evolved from the idea that food color can play a significant role in how we perceive and enjoy food. By incorporating naturally orange ingredients or using creative preparation techniques to create this color, chefs have explored orange cuisine as a form of artistic and culinary expression. Key ingredients. Orange cuisine highlights ingredients that naturally have this hue or employs culinary techniques to achieve this vibrant color. Some common ingredients include carrot. Carrot is one of the most iconic orange ingredients, known for its sweetness and versatility in savory and sweet dishes. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is used in a variety of dishes, from soups to pies, and offers a smooth texture and slightly sweet flavor. Mango. Mango is a tropical fruit that brings a sweet and refreshing flavor to orange cuisine and can be used in salads, sauces and desserts. Bell peppers. Orange bell peppers are used to add color and flavor to a number of dishes, including fajitas and stews. Sweet potato. Sweet potato, with its soft texture and sweet flavor, is a versatile ingredient in savory and sweet dishes. Turmeric. Turmeric. This orange spice is often used in Indian and Asian dishes, adding color and flavor to food. Preparation techniques. Orange cuisine also involves creative culinary techniques such as roasting, grilling, caramelizing and making purees. These techniques highlight the color and flavor of orange ingredients, creating visually appealing and tasty dishes. Emblematic dishes. Creativity in orange cuisine extends to iconic dishes, which may include pumpkin soup, a creamy, comforting soup often seasoned with spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Carrot pie, a classic dessert that features moist carrot dough topped with a sweet, creamy orange frosting. Sweet potato curry, a spicy and comforting Indian dish that combines sweet potatoes with spices and coconut milk. Mango and shrimp salad, a tropical salad that combines the sweetness of mango with the juicy texture of shrimp. Saffron ice cream, a cold dessert that incorporates the vibrant color and unique flavor of saffron. Cultural and visual impact. Orange cuisine has a significant cultural impact, as chefs and food lovers explore new ways to create and enjoy dishes. Furthermore, the color orange is often associated with energy, warmth and creativity, which can influence the dining experience in a positive way. Visually, orange cuisine is captivating and attracts attention on social media, restaurants and culinary events. Well-presented orange dishes are often shared and enjoyed for their unique aesthetic. Conclusion. Orange cuisine is a culinary trend that combines innovation, creativity and a vibrant color palette to create dishes that are visually stunning and delicious. It represents the constant evolution of contemporary cuisine, encouraging chefs and food enthusiasts to explore new flavors, techniques and aesthetics in the kitchen. By incorporating natural ingredients and inventive culinary techniques, orange cuisine continues to inspire creativity in the kitchen and provide memorable dining experiences.